Hey everyone, it's Dan Foreman here with 5 tips for your outdoor space. Tip 1 would be inspiration and ideas. Make sure you got some amazing inspiration and ideas that's really going to suit your style, but also your space, your outdoor space is very important. Tip 2 for me would be definitely making sure you do your homework. So looking into materials, suppliers, trades, rules and regulations if required, doing all that homework early so you don't have any sort of situations down the track. Tip number 3 for me would definitely be a sustainable approach. So try and find a way to make your project sustainable, whether it be revamping a bit of furniture or using local materials or existing materials in your project. I really would love to try and push that sort of stuff and keep that carbon footprint minimal. Tip number 4 would be making sure you have basically realistic budgets and timelines. So not putting that sort of pressure on yourself, making sure you're working within your sort of financial requirements so you don't get anxiety and stress with the project when it gets close to the end. And last but not least, tip number 5 would be enjoy the process and make sure you enjoy the space once it's created.